looking for work, having the right tools and the right support can make all the difference. Whether you're working with an employment service provider or exploring on your own, the Jobs Portal is here to help. The Jobs Portal is your one-stop solution that combines job searching, helpful tools, and resources to support you in finding a job or pursuing a career. The Jobs Portal is connected to an incredibly powerful job board, which collects job postings from more than 50 different websites, including popular job sites and local employers, all in one place. Having a Jobs Portal account means you can explore all the jobs available in your region and filter them to focus your search. Get a personalized feed of available jobs based on your interests and see how your skills align with them. Track and save the jobs you're interested in or have applied to. Build your resume and cover letters using our custom-designed tools and templates. Explore career and training options. And learn more about what employers are looking for. If you're using the Jobs Portal as part of your work with an employment service provider, your caseworker can also view your progress, recommend jobs or training, see and edit your resumes and cover letters, and support your journey every step of the way. Throughout this video series, we'll walk you through how to use each feature of the Jobs Portal step by step. All you need is your preferred device and an internet connection, and you can log into your Jobs Portal account anywhere, anytime to start searching. No matter your background, experience, or comfort with technology, the Jobs Portal is designed to be easy to use, helpful, and empowering. Your next opportunity might just be a few clicks away. Let's take the first step together.